the new 2020 Mustang GT500 with 760 horsepower at the engine. This thing is heavy. They are advertising 3,930 pounds.
Damn!
This sound like that get you some, that get you some, that get you some, that get you some, that get you
McLaren is changing the game. Everybody, Ferrari, everybody is changing everything. So hard on brake, press down the gas, let it build boost. Right now, it's in drive and...
Think we should rename this place Can't Stop, Won't Stop. All we ever doing here is crazy stuff. Look at this. Jesus. Woo. And track got that fire. That's what we doing today though. A little something something. Rolls Royce Ghost. Beautiful car once again. Stock wheels. We don't like that. We definitely don't like that. We gonna fix that. Beautiful, beautiful car, beautiful color. The muscle man tests out his muscles. Oh, we got some things. Where we at with it? Where we at with it? See?
It's strong, but it might work, right?
Yeah. Can't come to N-Track without finding somebody you know. Today it's our boy Team Hellcat. Back to work as usual. Back over here with his laptop. Back over there making that Team Hellcat magic. What's the number going to be today, man? What's the magic number for today?
770 to 800 on pump gas and boostane mix.
I love it. More boostane, huh?
More boostane.
That must be the Mod2Fame influence hitting these streets, putting out that boostane name. I love it, man. All right, I'll let you get back to work, man. Let's have it when it's ready. Let's have it. All right, I think we got action. I think we got action. See what we got. Only in New York. Only in New York. You're sitting in the shop, hungry, don't want to get no Popeyes.
Good food.
Cooked food. We call this cooked food is what we call this. Curry goat. Stew chicken.
Curry goat. Curry goat. You got any more curry goat left?
Fresh salad. Right delivered to your door. Just like that. No fast food today. Bless God. We hate fast food. There you go, my G. There you go.
Yes, sir.
Respect, man. Respect.
Anyway, guys, I hope you liked that video. And if you did, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss no more videos. Also, make sure you're sharing, man. You gotta let the world know the type of quality and content that we making with these fly-ass cars. But anyway, it's your boy Stefan here from Mod2Fame, and until the next video, we out.